Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Monica and I'm sure you all, almost all of you are waiting for to announce the giveaway winners. We are gonna see who's gonna be because I don't know yet. I didn't choose the winners, but we'll do in couple minutes. Before of that, I wanna say thank you to everybody who entered in this giveaway. Also, I wanna say don't be disappointed if you didn't, if you're not gonna win in this giveaway, because as you can see in the title, I will have more giveaways. Also, if you watch my videos, you know that I was setting aside lots of items for giveaways. I was thinking about the way I'm doing the giveaways, and as I told you before, I decided to change the way I'm doing the giveaways, at least for the next months, because it's gonna be easy for me to have a huge giveaway, and that's all. But I don't think this is fair for most of my subscribers that are very close to me and my channel, and for that reason I choose to have small giveaways instead of a huge one every other 6 months or wherever it comes. I decide to have small giveaways. I will try to do those monthly. I don't promise. I know what's gonna be this month. I don't know what's gonna be the next one. I'm not the person who's planning ahead, so just because you never know what the hour is gonna bring. But anyway, I will try. As I said, I will have small giveaways, and those giveaways are gonna be things like a kit or a bag with different items. I will try to have at least one full size item. I don't know what's gonna be, whatever comes to my hand. As I said, I have already a full box with items that I put away for giveaways. It's not gonna be, of course, the same every time. I don't know what's gonna be, but we'll see. I know what I have for this giveaway, for which I call the May giveaway, and also I wanna say I'm gonna keep those open international. It's not easy for me because the shipping it's very expensive. We'll see for how long. Probably I will have a giveaway this summer open just for US, because those items are not quite small to be shipped over the seas, so we'll see. But in the meantime, I will have the main giveaway. This one will start today, May 1st, somewhere this afternoon, as soon as I can set up the link with GLEM Yo, because I decided to choose the GLEM Yo also for having this giveaway and drawing the winner. It's gonna be one winner this time, and for this giveaway I chose two items. One of them, it's an ULTA kit, which looks like this. It is a very pretty bag, starting with the box. Actually, it's a very pretty color, and in this one looks like this. You can see me. You have 3 brushes here, and here is the box. I'm gonna show you. On top of the box you have a full eyeshadow palette. Here on the sides, right here, you have another 2 palettes. Is this one. I know on top are highlighters, and you get a bronzer and highlighters, bronzers and blushes in this one. Also the box is very cute. And there is one more on this side, and this one is with eyeshadows and eyeliners, gel eyeliners here. It's another pretty one, lots of colors in this. And I don't know, yeah, there is another here, down here, as you can see, there is another drawer, and this one has a lipstick, a brow tint, and a couple other more items, which looks like this. I think those boxes are really pretty. You get almost everything in one of these. You have eyeshadows, you have brushes, you have highlighters, blushes, and bronzers. Also you have eyeliners, lip products, and many more. So it's gonna be this box, and because this box doesn't have any skincare product, I will have this small kit from TARTE. You saw me unboxing one of these a while ago. This one comes with deluxe samples, make a splash, hydrating skin savers. And this one has the cleanse and clarify with deep dive cleansing gel. We have marine boosting 4-in-1 mist, and a drink of water cream is this one. It's a very nice one. I tried this one, and it's a great, those are great products. So those two items are gonna be in this giveaway. As I said, I'm gonna try to keep this open international. I don't know for how long I'm gonna be able to do this, but we'll see. Anyway, this one is gonna be open international, and let's see. Also, guys, I wanna ask you a big favor. Please hit the notification bell. If you enter this giveaway, please give the notification, hit the notification bell, and watch the videos, and also the video with the announcing of the winner, because the last winner because some personal problems, she wasn't able to answer me in time. She contacted me after a week, almost a week, and it's not try to respect the rules, in another words, and make sure you have the notification bell, you hit the notification bell, and also check your comments in the community menu, because many of us are complaining that the notification bells doesn't work like it should. Personally, I don't get all the notification, I don't get all the comments in the notification bell, and I have to check every day the community menu where you have all the comments. So please go ahead and do that. I will have this one open until, because the next 3 months are gonna be kind of upside down for me. I don't know exactly how it's gonna be or what I'm gonna be able to do, but for this one, let me just look in the calendar. I will have this one open until let's keep this one open until May 17th. The May 17th, it's gonna be the last day to enter, of course, until 11:59 Arizona time. I will leave all the information down below, and also please check the disclaimers in the description box for this giveaway. Also use the link to enter this giveaway, and as I said, I will have this one open until the 17th, and I will announce the winner on the 18th, because I will leave again 48 hours for the winner to answer me. If not, I will choose another winner after 48 hours, and because I'm leaving by the end of this month. I want to have enough time to be able to send you this prize, so to the winner anyway. So this is gonna be closed on the 17th at 11:59 p.m. as usual. By the end of the day, Arizona time. Keep that in mind. It's gonna be Arizona time, especially if you're out of the States, because if you're in Europe, you're with right now you are with I believe 9 or 10 hours ahead of us. So yeah, hit the notification bell so you can get the also you can get the you can see and get the notification with the video when I'm gonna announce the winner. Also, I like to choose GLEM because I have your email and your information, so it's gonna be more easy to contact you, more ways to contact you. So I'm sure you wanna see who's gonna win those two prizes from the masking time giveaway. Let's go ahead and see who is gonna be. Good luck to everybody. It's hard for me to have just two winners. It is what it is. I hope you'll understand that. So that is the reason why I choose to have more small giveaways than a huge one. So wish you good luck. Let's go ahead now and see who's gonna win the masking time giveaway. Again, are you ready, guys, to see who are the winners for the 45 mask for face, hand and feet? Because I am. Let's go ahead and choose the winners. As I said before, I'm using GLEM for this giveaway and probably for the next ones also. As you know already, we'll have two winners in this giveaway over 45 masks. So I have 90 entries in this giveaway. Good luck to everybody. All the luck you can have in this one. And let's go ahead and hit the button. So here is my link with the giveaway masking time from GLEM, if I'm saying that right. I'm trying to get this one a little bit closer. This one was ending last night. We have 90 entries, and let's go ahead and see finally who is gonna be. Here is the winners menu. Good luck to everybody, and let's go ahead and press that button. It's hard for me to see because I'm behind the camera. There you go. We have two of them. As you can see here, we're gonna choose two. And so the winners for this giveaway are Bra Elnur and Angelica M, if I'm saying that right. Those are the winners for this giveaway. The prizes are the same. Congratulations to Bra Elnur and Angelica M, if I'm saying that right. I will contact you because I have your emails here, and this is why I like to choose GLEM. Please, guys, answer back to me in the next 48 hours. Please make that. I will contact you through your email and also in the comments down below. Again, congratulations for winning this. I will send you an email as soon I can. As you can see, one of the winners is from England and the other one is in Israel. so a long way for those masks. Unfortunately, it's summertime. I don't know in what stage they will get there. I hope they will not be dry, but anyway, here are the winners for this giveaway. Thank you so much to all of you for participating. Thank you for your support, for the support that you give to each other, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, congratulations to the two of you. Please contact me and I will also contact you. You guys have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.